Don't fall off mine.
Right? That is so cool.
You better have just a baby on you. There you go.
And like I have those barrettes in my hair. I wonder if it's like
All right, folks.
You've
We
just
have to continue.
got
No
peed
more
on.
monkeying around. Take her back to the monkeys.
you got just a baby.
Welcome. Appreciate it for coming, guys.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
She's like, where did my kid go?
Stay a little longer, okay? If you guys want. You guys want to hear it now?
Mills.
We can stay longer if you let us.
There he goes. It's fighting, Mom. There we go. You're good.
Monkey. Oh, there's more monkeys.
oh, was the baby falling? Oh no. How fun. That was awesome.